Sebastian Fernandez, and I study international business with a modern language. So I was studying in Ca Foscari, and well, I really wanted to go to Italy, and since I'm doing Italian as a modern language, I really wanted to go live there as my grandparents are Italian and wanted to experience the Italian culture. In Venice, there's so much to do, a lot of museums. Just walking around the city is amazing. Also playing football next to the water and taking the boat as a bus is also amazing. My favorite part of the year abroad was probably, well, I got to know my girlfriend, and so I'm really happy for that. We spent a whole year together in Venice, which is a very romantic city, and so that was amazing. I would tell them, of course, go on a year abroad. It's an amazing experience, and I mean, I don't have any regrets, so I don't think you would either.